Okay. I like to put it straight in if I'm making my own sauce. Dane, was that an audible of happiness?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Admiring your boldness.
Well, I'm pretty bold now and again. He's so funny. Okay, I always have to do this to see how much, the ratio is going to be. And then we'll add some cheese. So this was a simple cook down of tomatoes, garlic, onion, some spices like, your basic basil and whatnot. We just wanted like a more simple dinner because we had party food for the past couple of days. And Thane says, we just make that aglio, but this isn't quite that, but it's close. Then we have 2 kinds of cheese that are going to go in there. And we'll call it a nice dinner, sitting in front of the TV.